You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Join us as we ascend to the breathtaking medieval village of Eze, perched high above the French Riviera. This ancient eagle's nest, with its cobblestone streets and stunning panoramic views, has a history as captivating as its scenery. Dating back to 2000 BC, Eze has witnessed the passage of Phoenicians, Romans, and Saracens. Its strategic position made it a coveted stronghold, and remnants of its fortified past are still visible today. Explore the exotic garden atop the ruins of a 12th century castle, offering unparalleled vistas of the Mediterranean coastline, or wander through the narrow alleyways, discovering artisan shops and charming cafes nestled within centuries-old stone walls. Eze is more than just a beautiful village. It's a living testament to resilience and history, inviting you to step back in time with ExplorerVacations. For travel ideas about France and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.